This is Elvin.
Jimmy Hughes is itching to grow his small supply business, but he needs a little help in the color green. So he asked 6 of his friendly community bankers for a loan.
This is all the paperwork that I had to generate. It weighs 4.5 pounds.
Despite his pristine credit, all 6 turned him down.
I could double the size of my company right now if I wanted to. But what I need in order to do that is to have operating capital.
Whatever happened to bankers like Jimmy Stewart's George Bailey and It's a Wonderful Life? He lent money to people in a bad economy at the expense of his own savings and loans.
They had to wait and save their money before they even thought of a decent home? Wait for what?
Oh, wait. Didn't bankers like Bailey spark the subprime mortgage crisis by loaning money to too many people who couldn't pay it back? You're not Jimmy Stewart from It's a Wonderful Life.
No, I'm not.
Edward Merritt runs a community bank in Boston. He may not be George Bailey, but he's not his nemesis, the evil Mr. Potter, either.
We appreciate your business.
Merritt's bank doles out between $7 and $10 million a month in commercial loans, mostly to mom-and-pop businesses in Boston. He'd like to lend more, but good credit isn't enough these days. What if I came to you and I said, I need this loan to meet my payroll? Because I can't do it this month because, people aren't paying me on time. That means I can't meet my payroll on time. Can I have a loan?
That would potentially be a challenging situation because the first question that I would have to ask you is why can't you meet your payroll?
I'm proposing that we take $30 billion of the money Wall Street banks have repaid and use it to help community banks give small businesses the credit they need to stay afloat.
Would that persuade Merritt?
I'm not really looking for any more money to lend. Quite frankly, I'm looking for more qualified borrowers to lend to. And that is as big a problem as I see it today as it is the bank's willingness to lend money.
So what is the answer? What should government be doing?
What we really want from small business is more employment. So perhaps it would be a good idea to create a program that reduces taxes on new hires, for example.
Jimmy Hughes is open to that, but it doesn't solve his problem. He still doesn't have the money to hire.
I'd like to have President Obama or any of his financial advisors just take a nice long walk down Main Street. And then maybe they could come up with some answers. Because if they don't have the